Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into the Amazon tool deals and checking out some of the items that I've found for this week. These are either going to be tools that are on sale, tools that even at their full price or list price I believe to be good deals, or tools I find interesting and would like your guys' input on if you guys have used them. All these items that we go over today will be linked down in the description for you guys with their own independent links, so it's easy to find. I have 2 additional links that take you to a long list of tools that I've went over in the past or other tools that I suggest, so that's all there for you guys. If you guys have experience with any of these items, please let us know your thoughts down in the comments. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure to smash that thumbs up, and if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. It really means a lot, so let's go ahead and get into this. The first item up is the Ulsa Tools socket sets. This is just the SAE deep well socket set in 1/4-inch drive. It's a 13-piece set, 6-point. Coverage is from 1/8 to 5/8, no skipped sizes. I've had a couple of the Ulsa socket sets for a few years now and have been really impressed with them. They're really nice chrome, really clean, really good fitment. They come in a nice little organizer, kind of what you find the Snap-on and the Icon stuff in the little blow molded trays, whatever you want to call them. They hold up well also. I haven't had any issues with mine. This specific set, the way they do theirs is it's all deep wells or all shallows, and you kind of got to buy them individually. Then I do believe they have like a all-inclusive set where you can basically just buy everything. That does add up, but if you want to save a little bit of money, you can just buy what you think you'll need, whether it's just SAE deep wells, both shallow and deep metrics. You can kind of pick up just what you want. Like the metric shallow is $22.87. They do have metric, SAE, 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive sets available for all of these. And while they're not on discount right now, I do believe they're priced fairly well. They're definitely not the cheapest, but they are good quality compared to a lot of these Amazon brand sockets and stuff. So I think this is a really solid option. But if you want to save a little bit of money and you still want to get a good quality socket as well, I think these are fantastic. I think this is a really good option, but Capri has killed it with their socket sets. Basically all of their tools. If you haven't heard of Capri, I've been running them for years, and they just continue to release more tools, and I've been very impressed with a lot of their tools. So I do share them pretty often. So if you haven't checked them out, I definitely think it's worth it. This is both shallow and deep well 1/4-inch drive. This is a 12-point set. They are available in 6 and 12-point. They have 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive impact sockets as well. This set ranges from 4mm to 15mm, 28-piece set at $30 on sale right now, down from a list price of $35. Definitely good quality stuff. Beautiful chrome, great fitment. I have some 12-point and a lot of their 6-point. This has 4.7 stars, 601 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Aries nut driver set. This is the SAE magnetic 7-piece. If you're one that may be interested in the Malco flip sockets, this is very similar to that. I like this nut driver set because just like the Malcos, you can remove it from the actual shaft so you can clean the magnet, because when you use these a lot, metal shavings and stuff start to build up, and when you can't remove them, then it tends to just kind of build up and gunk up inside the nut driver. So this is nice that you can remove it. It comes with 2 different blade lengths, basically a 3 and 6-inch. And this being the SAE set, you got 1/4-inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, and 1/2-inch. It is a 6-point design, chrome vanadium steel. There you can see the magnet on the end, so you don't end up with a nut driver like this down here. Overall, I think it's a really nice set, especially at the price. It is at $9.92, not on sale. And these sometimes will go up to the $15 price range. So I think this is a fantastic price for this set. But please let me know your guys' thoughts. This has 4.5 stars, 1,425 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Big Red, or the Torin bit organizer. I've had this for many years, and I've been running my, I believe it's the Warrior magnetic nut setters, 1/4-inch, just basically like what we just looked at, but the non-removable. And I've been running those for about 10 years, and I've had this tray probably almost that long. And it organizes them very well. You can use it for just your normal bits. You can use it for all sorts of different organizing of different styles of bits. The spacing is good. You can kind of separate things. It is magnetic. It's light magnetism. It's basically got the flexible magnet that runs the length at the bottom of it. That kind of helps it stay in a drawer if you're drawer liner isn't too thick. And then it also just has just enough pressure for the bits to where you're not fighting it or anything. Here you can see just some of the different ways they have them laid out. You can use nut setters in here, all different sorts of bits, you know. And this has a typical price of $10.38. It's down to $8.50. Very affordable, nice little organizer. This has 4.6 stars, 453 ratings. Next up, we're looking at the Duratech 3/8 drive stubby impact socket set. This is a low profile impact socket set, 14 pieces, all metric, and it's going to cover from 6 to 19 millimeter. They are chromoly steel, and it does come on an organizer. Looks like, you know, kind of your cheaper organizer, but at least it does come on one. And it does look like it's mountable as well if you want to mount it on a workbench or something like that. But this has basically the same style as what we see like the Astro and other stubby impact sockets like this. It's got the hex base, so you can use this on an impact, you can use it with a ratchet, you can use it with a wrench. Multiple different ways to use these sockets for really confined spaces. The size markings look nice as well. Pretty easy to read. Now, I don't know if they're dual stamped or not. I don't know if they're stamped and laser engraved or if they're just laser engraved. But this set is at $36 on sale, down from a list price of $40. So I think for a stubby impact socket, even though this is just from Duratech, which is kind of more for those weekend warriors, DIYers, you can still find some good tools at a good price, even from some of these brands that aren't as popular as the big name brands. So I think this is very fair. And this is the lowest price in the last 30 days. This has 4.8 stars, 240 ratings. Next up, we're looking at one that I honestly didn't even know existed. It's not on sale, but I wanted to mention it because I came across it. I look at a lot of the Klein Connects. Maybe this has been around a while. Maybe this is brand new. I hadn't seen it before and was really happy to see it because Klein for the longest time just did a lot of primarily SAE socket sets, which is understandable for the type of tool company they are. But I was happy to see them kind of start getting more into the metric side of things, and now they've released a really good, decent set. And a lot of the Connect stuff, you know, with it being the modular kind of stuff for Klein, just like any other brand that's modular or made for pack outs or things like that, they are a little bit more expensive. I mean, honestly, it's not terrible for a Klein Tools product and this price. I've seen much smaller sets from them for $100, and the fact that this one's $160. I mean, honestly, I like this set. I like it a lot. You got both metric and SAE in both shallow and deep, 5/16 through 3/4 for SAE, and 8mm to 19mm for metric, and there are no skips. And then you have a universal adapter down here and a 3 and 6 inch extension, and it works with their pass-through stuff. Then you got a 1/4 inch socket adapter here and just a little empty space here for anything that you need to toss in there. There you can see everything included. The other cool thing about this, it's very similar to the Milwaukee type of socket sets that you can remove from the blow molded case. You can set that tray in a drawer, leave it organized. Maybe you need to go to the junkyard. Maybe you need to take it with you. You can toss it back in this case. Keeps it organized, keeps it locked up. Really, really cool design. So I do like to see that. I do like the color coding strips too. If it's anything like the Malcos, then they'll probably end up chipping off and going away anyways. But it is nice to have as a little identifier. And the other thing that I really like about these is the depth and sharpness of the size markings. Overall, I think it's an awesome little set. So while this product is not on sale, I think this is a really cool product and really happy to see this from Klein. Next up, we're looking at the Knipex Tools 5-inch water pump pliers, or tiny cobras. I did have a 2-piece Cobra set that was down to, I want to say $65 or $68, which was a pretty good deal, but it went up back to the $72 price range. But it is fairly common for it to drop to that. So if you guys catch those and you're wanting a 2-piece set of the Cobras, larger size, I think it was the 7 and 10-inch pair. Fantastic set. But this 5-inch pair is also phenomenal. I picked up the 4-inch, and then my buddy had the 5-inch, and I realized that I should have probably picked up the 5-inch. In the last few years, Knipex has released their smaller pliers, they have 4-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch, and then you get up into the 7, 10, 12. But they do have quite a few smaller options available, and they're fantastic. The 4-inch, it doesn't have the actual push button. You open the pliers, you slide it down, and then it'll slide up to wherever you need it and lock in. But the 5-inch, you actually get that push button adjustable, which I really like the grit style of grip on Knipex pliers as well, whereas the 4-inch, you don't get that. You just get some like knurling. Don't get me wrong, the 4-inch is still fantastic. I absolutely love them, still use them pretty dang often. I think I would probably enjoy the 5-inch just a little bit more. The 4-inch is at $34 right now. It says the list price is $50. Nobody's buying it at $50. It says the list price for the 5-inch, or the typical price, is $34.27 on the 5-inch, and it is down to just under $31. So for those of you that don't use small pliers or have never used it, then you can probably just get by without it and probably won't have a use for it. But if you're one that likes to have a multi-tool, or you find yourself working in small, tight areas, having a small set like this on hand, it'll actually surprise you with how often you'll find yourself using small pliers like this. So definitely a great set of pliers. The Cobra is already one of the best pliers in the world, and this is just great for those that want to carry a small pair in their pocket. This has 4.9 stars, 28,962 ratings. Next up, we're looking at a Mix Power product. This is their 104-piece 3/8 drive master metric socket set. You get shallow, mid-length, and deep well sockets and universal sockets, both 6 and 12 point. So I thought this was I've looked at Mix Power stuff before. I've mentioned Mix Power before, but I hadn't seen this set before. And I saw this and I thought it was priced really well. $130. It has a coupon that brings it down to $110, and you get a great variety. There you can see the sizes that they include: stubby, standard, mid-length, and deep well. The stubbies are up here in front, and there's everything as far as sizes. The stubbies, you're getting 6 through 19. The shallow 12 points, you're getting 6 through 22. Shallow 6 points, you're getting 6 through 22. The mid-length, you're getting 6 through 19. The deep well 12 point, you're getting 6 through 19. The 6 point deep well, you're getting 6 through 24. And then the universal is 10 through 19. I mean, I think that's a great coverage and great variety. And while Mix Power is not going to be the highest quality stuff, I think weekend warriors, DIYers that are looking for a really good assortment for a really good price, I think this is very fair. $110 for this. I think that's a fantastic set. Let me know your guys' thoughts down in the comments. This has 4.6 stars, 2 ratings. And then Casoman, very similar to Mix Power. They sell a lot of the same stuff. This is their 71-piece master hex and Torx bit socket set. This is going to include 1/4-inch, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drive bit sockets in both metric and SAE. The Torx, you're going to be getting T6 through T70. You are going to get E-Torx or external Torx E4 through E24 with the storage case. So we'll get into that real quickly. So here you can see the Torx, T6 through T30 and 1/4-inch drive, T40 through T55 and 3/8, and T60 and T70 and 1/2-inch drive. Your external Torx or E-Torx. Then your adapters and reducers. And then your hex, you're getting both SAE and metric 5/64 through 3/4 and 2 through 19 for the metric. It is going to include the 2.5 and 5.5, so really good coverage there as well. S2 alloy steel for the bits, chrome vanadium steel for the base socket portion. And while this isn't on sale, it's still priced extremely well. You find Gear Wrench and other brands out there selling bit socket sets of similar sizes. It's going to be around $100. So the fact that you can get a very similar size set from Casoman, I think this is going to be fantastic. Weekend warriors, DIYers are going to get a lot of use out of this for a very affordable price, $50. This has 4.7 stars, 49 ratings. So that's it as far as this week's Amazon tool deals. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys have experience with any of these, let me know down in the comments. But if you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure to smash that thumbs up. You'll find all of these linked down in the description. And as always, if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.